Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tutorial Race. So in this video I'm starting a session of a Canva. So if you are interested, then go and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get a notification of our video. And I'm going to divide a video into a part, and I'm going to upload in a step by step, day by day. Okay, so before starting a video, please go and like the video. Okay, so yeah, let's start the video. And first of all, we are going to open Canva over here. Okay, so yeah, this will be the interface you will get. And yeah, before starting Canva, let's know about Canva free and Canva Pro. Okay, what is the difference between them? So first of all, we are going to discuss about Canva free. Like in Canva free, actually we will get some free photos, we will get some free animation videos, and we can create, like, we will be in a limitation. Okay, if we are getting any free things, then we will be in limitation. Okay, there will be some limitation. And if you are going to buy or pay for a Canva Pro, then you will get everything premium, like premium photos, extra storage, extra benefits over there. Okay, you can remove backgrounds and every other things. Okay, so in this video today I'm just gonna share with you what is the difference between Canva and Canva Pro. Okay, and right now I am going to discuss about this website. Okay, so yeah, first of all, over here you can see we can search. Over here there's a search bar where we can search anything. Like I'm going to search template. Like over here I'm types template, so you can see the result. There are many type of template, like you can use anytime. Okay, and within a second you will get the template over here. You just have to remove photos, whatever you text you want, you can type over there, and you can post anywhere. Okay, so leave this now because it's a easy process, so that's why. And right now I'm just gonna share this what is the benefit of sheet, documents, whiteboard presentation, social media, photo editor, video, printable, website, custom size, upload, and more. Okay, so first of all we are going to talk about sheet. Okay, what we can create in sheet. So let's see what is the benefit of sheet. And over here, like, we can store a data. For an example, you can see over here, okay, so as you can see over here, cost, sales, storage cost, shipping cost, and over here it's a full of store. Like we have stored every detail. Okay, tax rate, net price, discount, and every other thing. We can, in this sheet we can store our data, we can calculate our data. Okay, so let's go back and let's know about documents. Let's go to document, and after that over here, as you can see, we can write any header over here, and after that we can write any description over here. Okay, and like this only you can make a description like documents. Okay, and let's go back once again. Over here you can see whiteboard. Let's open this and let's see what is inside it. So now as you can see, there is nothing, but in elements or design we can see there's a diagram which we can see in our books or anywhere. Like I guess many of you have seen in your books like this diagram, so you can make a diagram or create a diagram in Canva also. Okay, so let's go back and let's know about presentation. I guess everybody know what is the meaning of presentation, so let's click on this and let's see what is there inside it. Okay, in presentation, like, you can create within a second. You just have to click once and the presentation will be ready. Like it is so easy to create a presentation over here in Canva. So I just have to click and see, I have just got presentation for a free in a second. You just have to click, you just have to text whatever you want to change, you just have to type. You can see changes over here. Okay, so like this you can create your presentation over here. So let's go back once again And now let's talk about social media. Okay, it is very important in Canva actually. Most of the influencer use this Canva, use a website or application because of this social media only. Okay, so let's open this, and over here you can see WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. Like YouTube is not there, but YouTube, most useful thing over here is Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook or YouTube. Okay, so as like you can see Instagram post, Facebook post, you can create over here Instagram story, WhatsApp story, Facebook, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so about this topic I'm going to make a separate video. Like I'm going to make every topic separately, so you just have to wait and you just have to press the bell icon and wait for a notification. Okay, so that you can learn in a very easy way and step by step. Okay, so over here as like you can see there's a many type of thumbnails like this, and you can make means every type of banner, thumbnail and everything you can create over here about social media only. Okay, so after that let's go back, and you can see photo editor. You can edit photo over here also. You just have to upload a photo, and after that you can remove background, but you have to pay for this. Okay, you can remove erase your magic, crop, you don't have to pay for this, but mostly over here you have to pay. Okay, so after that only you can use. So let's go back. I'm going to discuss about this topic also. Okay, later on next video. So what is about video? You can create video, intro, thumbnail, like you see like this. You can create intro also for YouTube or any other places. Okay, or any other social media. So you can see video, mobile video, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and every other. Okay, I'm going to discuss about this topic also in next video. And over here printable, like you can create in a size of printer. Okay, you can create website also. I'm just gonna share with you like how we can create a portfolio within a second. Okay, so see, you just have to open this portfolio, you just have to click on this, and you can put your own image over here. You can write your name, place or he, him like this, and whatever you do you can write over there. And after that about me, and you can write about yourself. The portfolio is ready. Just think within 5 or 10 seconds you can create your own portfolio. Okay, it is very easy. So I guess we have understand till yet. Okay, so let's go back once again, and over here you can see custom size. You can customize your size, width, height, uniques and every other thing. Okay, after that over here you can upload your image, and there's option more. Let's click on this, and you can see there are many type of design. Over here you can see office, business, marketing, promotion, personal event, personal and event planning, photos and video. You can do everything over here. Education video, photo collage video, LinkedIn ad, TikTok, means every type of design you can create over here in Canva. Canva is very important, means it is very helpful website actually. So yeah, that's it for this in this video. So yeah, take care, bye bye.